Hi, I'm Chef Amy Hoagie, and I'm here to teach you how to play with food, where I take a classic recipe, change it up a little bit to create a whole new dish. Today I'm playing with pea salads, sweet pea salads. And so what I'm going to be making today is a cold pea salad. So we've got some frozen peas that I thawed out a little bit, about 3/4 of a cup. This is like a one person, maybe a two person serving. I've got some red cabbage, finely chopped. I've got a little bit of red onion, maybe about a tablespoon. It's all in what you really like. Then I'm going to go ahead and add, a good tablespoon of the mayonnaise. And then I've got some dill, some dried dill. Kind of like that flavor. There we go. Some salt. Salt kind of brightens it up, and then a little bit of pepper. All I need to do is mix it up. That's kind of easy, huh? You can do this. And the purple and the green look really nice together. All right. Shake it down a little bit. There you go. Cold pea salad. Thanks for joining me. I'm Chef Amy Hoagie. For more information, you can visit me on my website at chefamy with 2 e's.com.